A 2015 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG has sold through an online auction in the United States for $52,000. The seller purchased the SUV used in March 2025, added about 3,700 miles, and the auction concluded on July 23, 2026.
Finished in Designo Night Black Magno with a porcelain and black interior. The SUV features carbon fiber exterior components, a 6-inch lift kit, and 26-inch Amani wheels. Factory equipment includes heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, a sunroof, an Alcantara headliner, a Harman Kardon audio system, and locking front, center, and rear differentials. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8, producing 536 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission and a 2-speed transfer case. The SUV had 57,600 miles, a clean Mississippi title, documented minor accident history, recent maintenance records, and was sold with one key, a spare tire, floor mats, and the owner's manuals.